Mahadev or Lord Shiva is of foremost importance in Hinduism. He is the main pillar of the Holy Trinity. Jyotirlinga are the divine places of Shiva where he resides in different forms. The word Jyoti means light or radiance, and Lingam or Linga means signs or image. So the word Jyotirling means radiant signs of Lord Shiva. The Jyotirlinga are said to have appeared in places where Lord Shiva himself manifested on earth, thus giving them the name of Swayambhu, meaning self-manifested. Each Jyotirlinga is considered to be a different manifestation of Lord Shiva. In this video, we will narrate to you the story behind the 12th of the 12 Jyotirlinga. To know the story about all the 12 Jyotirlinga, watch the playlist linked in the comments below. Grishneshwar Jyotirlinga temple is located close to Aurangabad city, also known for another temple of Lord Shiva, Ellora. A queen named Ahilyabai Holkar had rebuilt this temple in the 18th century. She is also well known for rebuilding the Kashi Vishwanath temple in Varanasi. The original temple was destroyed by the Mughal sultanate in the 12th century, which was rebuilt by Maoji Bhosale in the 16th century. This temple is known by various names: Kusumeshwar, Ghushmeswar, Grushmeswar, Dhushmeshwar, and Grishneshwar. The meaning of the name being Lord of Compassion. There are a few legends associated with this Jyotirlinga. One legend says that there was once a woman named Kusum who would worship Lord Shiva every single day, immersing the Shivaling in a tank of water along with her prayers. Her husband's first wife was jealous of her devotion and murdered her son. Although Kusuma was grief-stricken, she kept up her faith and her devotion to the Lord. It is said that Lord Shiva was so pleased with her devotion that he brought back her son to life. Kusuma requested the Lord to stay on, which is why Lord Shiva manifested himself as a Jyotirling here. Another legend has it that there was once a Brahmin called Brahmavata Sudharma who lived with his wife Sudeha in the Devagiri mountains. The couple was childless, so Sudeha got his sister Ghushma married to her husband. On her sister's advice, Ghushma would make lingas, worship them, and immerse them in the lake nearby. She was finally blessed with a baby boy. Over time, Sudeha became jealous of her sister and murdered her son and threw him into the very lake where her sister would immerse the lingas. Though Ghushma's daughter-in-law told her that Sudeha had a hand in the murder of her son, Ghushma continued her daily rituals, believing totally in the Lord's mercy. And true to her beliefs, as she went to immerse the lingas, she saw her son walking towards her. Lord Shiva appeared before her and told her of her sister's deeds. Ghushma requested the Lord to forgive her sister. Pleased, the Lord granted her a boon. She asked him to stay in that place, which is why he manifested himself as a Jyotirling called Ghushmeswar. The lake in which Ghushma immersed the lingas was called Shivalaya.